Pause up, pet pals. Oh, yawn. We yawn when we're tired or bored. But did you know that dogs yawn when they feel stressed? It's true. Yawning is one of the primary go-to calming signals dogs use. It's the canine equivalent of a person who abruptly switches to a new topic when they suspect a heated argument is about to erupt. Yawning in dogs is used to diffuse a potentially explosive situation. In addition, some dogs who catch on to new tricks quickly may grow tired of the long, repetitive training sessions, so they may yawn and scratch their heads with their back paws to relieve stress or to tell you, hey, we need a break. Heed this canine cue. Dogs actually learn best in mini sessions, not long, drawn-out training sessions. And that's your daily pet tip from Arden Moore. Pause up.
Make sure to subscribe so you're up to date with all of our four-legged life content.